Today we got another crypto arbitrage opportunity for you. Without wasting any time, we'll show you the coin name and the whole process to make some profit out of it. But before that, if you are new and don't know what crypto arbitrage is, then I will suggest you to check our channel's home video or any other YouTube video. It's important to know the basics because it's guaranteed profit, but there is still some risk. So even if we are showing you the whole process here, still it's better to know the basics and what we are doing. So let's go. Our today's arbitrage coin name is, and the exchanges, you can see the coin price here. Remember the price, and let's go to another exchange here. See, same coin, and look at the price here. You can clearly see the price difference, right? So now we are going to buy the coin from first exchange using USDT. Before you buy the coin, check the volume of the coin. So after buying the coin at low price, we're going to sell this coin to the other exchange where the price of this coin is higher. You have to withdraw this coin from here to the other exchange. So remember the withdrawal network and fees, because it's important to match the network in order to deposit the same coin to the other exchange. So withdraw this coin from first exchange with the deposit address of the same coin from the other exchange. After that, it will take some time to arrive the coin, so don't go anywhere, because most important part is here to take quick actions. So after you successfully deposit the coin to other exchange, now it's time to sell this coin as soon as possible in order to make real quick profit. After making the profit, now you can safely exit with your USDT and wait for our next video. As I mentioned earlier, I'll check the volume of the coin and pending orders so that you know how much money you should put into this coin to exit safely with profit. Because crypto arbitrage opportunity stays for 30 minutes to some hours, so you have to make your decisions quickly. There are thousands of coins out there. You cannot just take thousands of coins every day to find the right coin for arbitrage. There are some companies out there who charge a monthly fees for providing these coins, but here we are providing this whole information and method for free. Just subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon, because every time you upload a video, it's a crypto arbitrage opportunity. So you have to make your decisions quickly to make some profit out of this opportunity, or you will miss. It's not regular videos like make money online, make hundreds of dollars daily method, where you watch the whole video with high expectation and end up with disappointment. In this channel, we upload videos, you watch the video, take actions, and you make profit within some minutes. You don't have to wait forever. It's quick, easy, and also free. Thank you for watching. If you already missed this opportunity, don't worry at all. Stay with us for more opportunities.